Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Oppo A40 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store and tap on our photo on the right corner. In it you must open Settings, Family and their parental controls, where we have PG3 right now. To visible game or application of Mobile Legends game, we need more than PG3. To change it, we tap on it. Now we must enter our connect pin to parental control, and we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow all, included underrated, confirm by Godit, and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!